Hello guys, welcome to Technical Math VBN channel, and in this video I will show you proof that 1 is equal to 2. I will show you the magic trick and show you the power of math in this video. Prove that 1 is equal to 2. For this, let A is equal to B. Now multiply with A on both sides. A into A, that is equal to AB. A square is equal to AB. Now subtract B square on both sides. AB subtract B square on both sides. Fine. This can be written in A plus B into A minus B. This value A square minus B square. Here can I take common B? So I will take common B. B into A minus B. So furthermore, A plus B into A minus B, B into A minus B, divide with A minus B on both sides. A minus B on both sides. You will get an answer of cut. Answer is A plus B, that is equal to B. Now replace this A with B as in the question A is equal to B. So I will write B here by replacing A plus B. Here is 2B, that is equal to B. Now divide by B on both sides. B cut, that is equal to 1. B and B cancel, that is equal to 2. So 1 is equal to 2. But keep in mind that in this situation A minus B is not equal to 0. So this condition is valid, so we can easily prove that 1 is equal to 2. So have you seen this magical trick? And you can say that the magic power of math. So we can prove that 1 is equal to 2. The mathematics is based on assumptions and supposition, so we can use it and find any solution that we require. So in this question I have shown you 1 is equal to 2. So like this video and subscribe Technical Math VBN channel for more these kind of interesting stuff.